What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to factory reset your Xbox Series S and Series X in case you're getting rid of it, selling it, or you just want to start again from, factory settings. This is going to walk you through how to do it. It's a very short video. It's a very easy video. So enjoy the video and let's get into it. So the first thing that you want to do is press on your Xbox button on your controller. From here, you want to hit the R1 button until you get all the way over to settings. Then make sure you select settings. On the next page, what you're going to do is go down until you see system and then select console info. From here, you're going to select reset console and then over to the left towards the bottom, select reset and remove everything. This process takes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, something like that. It doesn't take terribly long. Let it do its thing, and what you'll see very shortly after is a screen that says preparing. And then once that's done, you'll know everything is deleted because it brings you to the configuration page where it wants you to download the app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your phone and go through the setup. So at that point, you're completely done with the deletion of everything and factory reset of your Xbox Series S and Series X. Thanks for watching. See you guys down the road.